I wanna, as a man, if you can understand, ukuthi women are a special case. I mean, I've made peace with that. Ukuthi, these people, Baba, there's something else. A special case. We need to book them every 6 months to a mental institution. Women and children. So, they're like this. Tell me, when, as a guy, you book a person, this person, you pay for her traveling expenses. Umuntu usuke eDurban to Cape Town or Johannesburg, wherever you are. You book, you pay for the flight, taxi or bus. And makafika la, bese uthi kuwe, it's that time of the month. And you here to do what? To talk. Women are something else. You know, as a guy, Tina, once a woman is here, you will try, Baba. Even if you don't have the appetite, you'll go to the kitchen, drink water, do whatever, so that you can fulfill the end of your bargain. Not women. Women, I hope you understand, you're not angry. Of course I am angry, Baba. I am angry. A woman can leave you to book, Baba, a 5-star. A 5-star. Makafika lapho besathi kuwe, baby, it's that time of the month and it's strong. It started today. Today. Didn't you know? Alright, it's my second day. Those are women for you. Mina, I'm saying it doesn't matter. Once you take a trip, money is spent. You must fulfill the end of your bargain, Baba. You must fulfill the end of your bargain. Yeah, those are women for you, Baba. They will mess you up. You'll spend money preparing for a trip. As umuntu afike la, bese makafika la, athi baby, yeah, I'm not feeling good. My stomach cramp. Yeah, even fit. It's long, as long as it's not cancer. You must act, Baba. You must dance like Michael Jackson. You must dance like Michael Jackson. We guys we perform, Baba. You drink whatever that is in the house to make sure what as in I live long to tell the tale. A good story. But a woman, you want to talk. You come from Durban to Johannesburg to sleep over, weekend. We're cuddling. We're not built like that, Tina. We're not built like that. We've got killer instincts. But women will allow you to book. Tina sazama baba ukuthi yazini imfethu. I don't have the appetite, but hey, yeah, mission must be accomplished. Yeah, that's why women can cheat. I didn't kiss him. So what? So what? Tina, we don't care. The only question that we ask, uyifakile na? That's the only question. Yeah, esifuna ukuyazi ukuthi uyifakile na? Athi no, I don't love him. You forgive cheating. You forgive cheating. No. They are fighting me. But what must we do? Must we leave our women? Yes. Women. Yabona nje noma umuntu akhona she finds true love. Show me, what do you think? Tonight, guys, we don't ask our friends. If you see a woman at the club or wherever, restaurant, I'm not gonna go ask my friend, what do you think about her? No, I move. But they think, then they tell their friends, and then their friends must approve. Which told me, I think he's okay. Yeah, but a woman can make you spend money, book a place, a 5-star hotel, B&B. Bese akutshela ukuthi I'm on my periods. Where are you going on your periods? Thina mfethu mabakukapile uyawatshela amajiji ukuthi hayi bafethu ngilimele angike udlala ibhola. Awukuyodlala ibhola bakukapile ulimele unama-injury mfethu asifake omunye umuntu ngeke mfethu ungene efieldini sizokuchika samajiji ukuthi amara mfethu wawungasitsheli ukuthi ulimele wawungasitsheli ukuthi ulimele wawungasitsheli ukuthi ulimele uthi bangikapile last week angithi uyazi ukuthi ulimele why ufuna ukudlala ulimele give others a chance give others a chance if it's a long weekend angithi wena uyazi ukuthi it's that time of the month give others a chance nomunye nje la umuntu okhona even married 2 kids you know young babe are you gonna marry me for what angithi you are complaining ukuthi your ex-hubby was abusive. I mean it's your chance to be free. It's your chance to be free. Give others a chance baba. You've been married before how labantu laba yeah hey ezibhlungu azipheli.